Good morning, students. Class 5th. Today we will revise our writing section. In writing section, firstly we will revise stories. First story is Union is Strength. Union is strength. एकता में बल है. Once there was an old farmer. He had 4 sons. They always quarreled with one another. The farmer was very sad. He advised them not to quarrel, but in vain. Vain means व्यर्थ. Means he advised them not to quarrel. Means जो फार्मर है उसने उनको एडवाइस दी ना लड़ने की, पर ये सब व्यर्थ था, मतलब उनको समझाया. One day the farmer fell ill. His end was near. He thought of a plan. He called his sons. He gave them a bundle of sticks. He asked them to break it, but they failed to do so. पर वे ऐसा नहीं कर सके. उसको बंडल, जो लकड़ियों का बंडल था वो उसे तोड़ नहीं सके. Now the bundle was untied. Untied means उस बंडल को खोल दिया गया. The farmer asked his sons to break the sticks one by one. Each son broke the sticks easily. At this, the farmer said, "Be united like the bundle." Be united like the bundle. बंडल की तरह एक, मतलब एक दूसरे से जुड़े रहो, बंधे रहो. If you are united, अगर तुम सब मिलकर एक रहोगे, no one will harm you, तो तुम्हें कोई भी नुकसान नहीं पहुंचा सकता. The sons learnt a lesson. They never quarreled again. Now moral. moral क्या है, शिक्षा क्या मिलती है? यूनियन इज स्ट्रेंथ, और यूनाइटेड वी स्टैंड, डिवाइडेड वी फॉल. हम मिलकर जो है खड़े हो सकते हैं, डिवाइडेड वी फॉल, और अगर हम डिवाइड हो गए तो हमें कोई भी नुकसान पहुंचा सकता है. Our next story is Two Friends and a Bear. Second story क्या है? Two Friends and a Bear. Once there were two friends. They were walking through the forest. They promised to help each other they promised to help each other in danger. Suddenly, they saw a large bear approaching. Means approaching them, मतलब उनकी तरफ आते हुए उन्होंने देखा. Approaching them, उनकी तरफ आते हुए उन्होंने देखा कि एक बड़ा बियर उनकी तरफ आ रहा है. One of the friends at once climbed a nearby tree, but the other one didn't know how to climb. So, being led by his common sense, he lay down on the ground and held his breath. The bear came near the man who was laying on the ground. It smelled in his ears and slowly left the place, because the bears don't touch the dead creature. Yes, let's from here. It smelled in his ear and slowly left the place. उसने उसके कान में जो है उसको सूंघा और वहां से धीरे से वहां से चला गया। बिकॉज क्योंकि द बियर्स डोंट टच द डेड क्रिएचर। डेड क्रिएचर यानी कोई भी मृत प्राणी है तो वो उसको जो है खाते नहीं है, उसको टच भी नहीं करते हैं। नाउ द फ्रेंड ऑन द ट्री केम डाउन एंड आस्क्ड हिज फ्रेंड ऑन द ग्राउंड, फ्रेंड, what did the bear tell you into your ears? The other friend replied, the bear advised me not to believe a false friend. Now moral, a friend in need is a friend indeed. A friend in need is a friend in need. यानी फ्रेंड वही है जो जरूरत के समय हमारे काम आए। ओके बेटा, थैंक यू। राइट these both stories into your fair notebook and learn also.